Hi, I am Jean Forgue, Sales Director and Lead Designer at Cuisine Élysée, a family business spreaded by four brothers that provide design and installation services to countless kitchen and bathroom renovation projects for over 30 years. I would personally like to present you our team, where we unveiled one of our projects step by step. If you are planning renovations of your kitchen or bathroom, if your environment needs to be improved, and if you want to increase your quality of life, then you are at the right place. Begin your journey by visiting our spacious showroom, where you will be met with a simplistic and professional approach. Inside, you will discover products of great quality and state-of-the-art international designs. You will be thrilled by our vast variety of products, specialized hardware, and our creativity. Let yourself be inspired by the quality and the elegance of our presentations. You will enjoy the services of a professional designer in a dynamic and laid-back ambience, where communication and respect will create a warm and constructive experience. At this point, your project will be well underway. Cuisine Élysée is providing cutting-edge technologies paired with a personalized approach with each customer that ensure a flexible and high-quality finish. Our renovation team takes charge of every step of your project with efficiency. It's a guarantee of an impeccable realization. Our methodology will surely please you. A global approach where each step is carefully planned and carried by our teams of specialists. For us, quality means that the product is perfect and durable, fit to your needs and your way of life, and that product will give you a complete satisfaction. The project takes shape after several weeks of work. The dream is now reality. The only thing left to do is for you to enjoy the transformation and the improvements of your completely redesigned, ergonomic, inspiring, and cozy kitchen.
We first had known about Elysee Cuisine through someone we knew that had some work done for a bathroom in their home, and these people were extremely satisfied. What also impressed us was the fact that one member of this couple worked at la Régie des Bâtiments and confirmed that this firm had absolutely no complaints in the recent years, so that was very reassuring for us. We are definitely very satisfied with the final result. I think the images speak for themselves. Everything is nice. We are really satisfied with the result. And there's no doubt in our minds that we would recommend Elysee to our friends and family if need be.
You can now meet us to discuss about your project. It will be a pleasure to meet you.